Guy's running straight across. 285-ish. I seen him running straight across the field. Yeah, there he is. Why would he go? Why would he go prone there? You're gonna have to get out of that car sometime. Said he didn't have a med kit.
Motherfucker.
Oh, right.